Hi, I'm April with WTI, and if I knew it was going to be this easy to replace my countertop, I would have done this years ago.
If you can follow some simple instructions, you can have your own DIY project done in minutes. Thanks to Wallercity, my kitchen looks amazing now.
Now, I've never done this before, but it was super easy. Make sure that the surface is smooth and clean. Measure out what dimensions you need. Cut the paper, peel it off, smooth it on, and it's finished. Waterproof, oil-proof. There's no sticky glue residue. If you need to remove it, it's super easy to put it on. I like this because it can be used for all different kinds of surfaces, so it's very universal. I chose to use it for my countertops. We needed a little upgrade, and it worked wonderful.
We absolutely love this contact paper from Wallercity, and we think you will too.
I think this is exactly what our kitchen needed. I could not be happier, and that's my point of view.